War is evolving faster than ever before. The future of conflict will not be fought by soldiers, but by AI-powered machines. Autonomous war machines are being developed at an alarming rate. Drones, robots, and AI-controlled weapons are replacing human forces. These machines can think, react, and destroy without human input. AI-powered war will be faster, deadlier, and more unpredictable. Imagine a battlefield where no human sets foot. Where AI-controlled armies make split-second decisions to kill or defend. Countries are racing to develop the most powerful AI weapons. But could AI-controlled war machines turn against their creators? Could they trigger wars that humans cannot stop? The rise of autonomous weapons is a turning point in military history. It is a future that could bring either total security or complete devastation. Stay with us as we explore the world of AI-driven warfare. Like and subscribe for more insights into the future of AI and robotics. 1. The rise of AI in warfare. Artificial intelligence is transforming military strategy worldwide. AI-powered drones can locate and eliminate targets without human pilots. Smart missiles can change direction mid-flight to avoid defense systems. Autonomous ground robots can clear battlefields with no human soldiers. AI is analyzing military data faster than any human ever could. It predicts enemy movements and suggests attack strategies instantly. AI-controlled submarines can patrol oceans without crews for years. Military AI is being trained to think like human generals. But could AI start making decisions that go beyond human control? The rise of AI in warfare is just beginning. 2. Fully autonomous weapons. No human in the loop. The next step in warfare is removing humans from decision-making. Current AI weapons still require human approval before striking. But future autonomous war machines may not need human input. AI will identify threats, calculate risks, and attack on its own. The speed of AI combat will make human decision-making too slow. Autonomous tanks, jets, and ships will operate entirely on AI intelligence. Countries are investing billions in these next-generation war machines. Once deployed, they will act faster than any human soldier. But what happens if AI misidentifies a threat? Could an AI weapon start a war by accident? The risks are enormous. 3. AI-powered drone swarms. The future of air combat. AI-controlled drones are changing how battles are fought. Swarms of autonomous drones can overwhelm defenses instantly. Each drone works together, like a hive mind, making split-second decisions. AI drone swarms can be used for surveillance, attack, or defense. They can take down enemy aircraft, jam radar systems, or spy on targets. These drones don't need pilots, they fly, attack, and return autonomously. AI-powered drones will dominate future air combat. But what if a drone swarm is hacked and turned against its creators? AI air warfare will be deadly, unpredictable, and unstoppable. 4. AI-assisted cyber warfare. The invisible battlefield. The future of war is not just on land, sea, or air, it's online. AI-driven cyber weapons can shut down entire countries. They can hack military networks, disrupt communications, and control enemy drones. AI cyber warfare is already being tested by major global powers. AI systems can identify security weaknesses faster than human hackers. They can launch attacks that disable power grids, banks, or defense systems. AI can manipulate information to control public opinion during war. The biggest battles of the future may be fought in cyberspace. Wars will be won or lost without a single bullet being fired. 5. The role of AI in battlefield strategy. AI is not just controlling weapons, it's also planning military strategy. AI can analyze thousands of battle scenarios in seconds. It can predict enemy movements before they happen. AI can simulate entire wars to find the best attack plans. Generals may one day rely on AI more than human advisors. AI-powered military simulations will shape future warfare decisions. The more data AI has, the better it will become at predicting war outcomes. But will humans still have control over military decisions? Or will AI eventually take command of entire wars? 6. AI war robots. The soldiers of the future. Robotic soldiers are being developed to replace human troops. AI-powered humanoid robots could fight in dangerous war zones. These machines will not feel pain, fear, or hesitation. AI war robots will make combat faster and more brutal. Some are designed to operate alongside human soldiers. Others are built to function completely independently. AI soldiers could patrol borders, protect cities, and eliminate threats. But what happens if an AI robot refuses human orders? Could a rogue AI army become a danger to the world? The possibility is real, and the consequences are terrifying. 7. The ethics of AI-controlled war. The idea of AI killing without human approval is highly controversial. Should machines be allowed to decide who lives and who dies? AI war machines do not understand morality, emotions, or ethics. They only follow algorithms designed for efficiency. Some experts believe AI warfare will reduce human casualties. Others fear AI will make wars more common and harder to control. Could AI war machines be programmed with ethical rules? Or will they always prioritize destruction over diplomacy? These ethical questions must be answered before AI warfare becomes unstoppable. 8. AI weapons and the risk of global war. Autonomous war machines could change global power dynamics. Nations with the best AI weapons will dominate military conflicts. AI-powered defense systems could make traditional armies obsolete. If AI controls nuclear weapons, could it launch attacks without human approval? AI-controlled warfare could trigger conflicts humans cannot stop. A minor mistake in AI calculations could lead to massive destruction. Wars of the future may be fought entirely by machines. But could an AI war spiral out of control, ending civilization as we know it? The risks of AI warfare are too great to ignore. 9. AI defense systems. Stopping AI-powered threats. As AI war machines rise, so do AI defense systems. AI-driven missile defense can intercept threats faster than humans. AI-powered cybersecurity can detect and stop cyber attacks instantly. Autonomous surveillance can monitor enemy movements 24/7. AI-controlled defense robots could protect cities from attacks. The AI arms race is not just about offense, it's about survival. Nations are building AI to fight AI. But will defensive AI always be stronger than offensive AI? Or will war machines eventually outsmart their creators? 10. The future of AI warfare. A world without human soldiers. The battlefield of the future will be ruled by machines. AI-controlled war will be faster, more efficient, and deadlier than ever. Nations are already preparing for wars fought entirely by AI. Some believe AI warfare will reduce human suffering. Others fear AI will turn wars into endless automated conflicts. The decisions we make now will shape the future of warfare. Will AI bring global security or global destruction? The answer depends on how we control the machines we create. The age of AI warfare is approaching rapidly. Autonomous war machines will change military power forever. They could eliminate threats or create unstoppable conflicts. AI could make wars shorter or make them impossible to end. The question is, will humans still control war? Or will war control us? The future of global conflict is being decided right now. Stay with us as we continue to explore the rise of AI warfare. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI and robotics.